Now let's focus on GitHub Copilot for testing, which falls under Domain 6 and represents about 9% of the exam content. This section dives into how AI can be leveraged to generate tests, making the testing process more efficient and reliable. Understanding how Copilot assists in creating test cases and automating parts of the testing workflow is essential for mastering this domain. It's a key skill covered in the GitHub Copilot certification, specifically the GH300 exam. GitHub Copilot offers comprehensive test generation capabilities that help developers save time and improve code quality. One of the key benefits is its ability to automatically generate various types of tests, which enhances test coverage across the board. Starting with unit tests, GitHub Copilot helps test individual functions or methods in isolation by mocking external dependencies. This allows for fast test execution and ensures high code coverage, making sure each part of the code behaves correctly on its own. Moving on to integration tests, Copilot supports testing how multiple components interact with each other. In this case, real dependencies are used to validate data flow and ensure that the entire system works together smoothly. These tests also cover end-to-end scenarios, simulating real-world usage. Edge case tests are equally important, and Copilot identifies critical boundary conditions, like null or empty inputs, error handling, and even overflow scenarios. This helps catch problems that might occur only in unusual circumstances, which are often the hardest to predict manually. Finally, GitHub Copilot can generate performance tests to check code efficiency. These include monitoring response times, memory usage, load handling basics, and running benchmark comparisons. This ensures that your code not only works but performs well under various conditions. Overall, these capabilities provided by GitHub Copilot make creating reliable and thorough test suites much easier and more efficient for developers. There are several effective ways to generate tests using GitHub Copilot, and I'll walk you through 5 key methods. First, the /tests command. You select the code you want to test, open Copilot chat, type /tests, and Copilot will generate a comprehensive test file for you. Second, the inline chat method. Highlight the function, press Ctrl+I to open the inline chat, then request Copilot to generate unit tests for that function, and after reviewing, you can accept the results. Next, the TDD comments approach involves writing a descriptive comment, like //test, should return -1 when input is empty, and Copilot will automatically create the corresponding test code based on that comment. The fourth method uses the chat panel. Simply open Copilot chat and instruct it with requests such as, write just tests for my user service class covering all edge cases, and Copilot will provide the tests accordingly. Finally, assertion help is great when you have a partial test written. You can ask Copilot to enhance it by adding assertions for error handling and boundary conditions, ensuring thorough test coverage. Each of these methods offers flexibility depending on your workflow and testing needs.